What's going on? What's going on, fellas? Have a beautiful afternoon. Nice and shiny, fellas. I already washed it. And I did some vacuum. I cleaned all my welding machine. All my equipment is ready to go to Charleston, fellas. Beautiful, beautiful. What a beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Ready to go to Charleston, fellas. Nice and clean. Remember, guys, we got a preheat, so we got 4 bottles of gas, propane gas. So we got water. I know it's getting cold, but you know, we need some water just in case if it gets hot. Our trailer is ready. It's ready to rock and roll. Beautiful. This machine has about this is a new gauge. It's new gauge. I bought it last year. You see what's broke. It's about 4,600 hours. Original ones. I did the oil on the 514, but I haven't used it. So I don't know if you guys remember the job that I did here in Lithia Springs, Atlanta. So I changed it. I changed all the fuel filters, oil, and air filters also. This is a three cylinders engine, Dodge engine. Beautiful engines. So we're ready to rock and roll, fellas. I'm just bringing you a new update for you guys. That way you guys know what's going on. This is also ready to load it on the truck, probably on Sunday night or Monday morning.